Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about SAM, which is standing for Segment Anything model, developed by Meta AI's research team. And this model is crazy. It's really, according to its name, you can see segment anything. It's really segmenting anything, and it's crazy. This is a new technology. Also, is coming to our world 2 years ago, which is 2023, and this is currently open source, and you see the pictures. This is segmenting really anything. This is not just putting here a beautiful pictures. You can try also. I'm gonna show you how to use this, and you can try on your environment. This is really segmenting anything. And what I want to talk is, before this model, what actually I was doing in my previous works. I was just going to, for example, this open images, I'm just making the segmentation, and let's say I'm choosing laptop. You see all the data, laptop segmenting data coming to me, so I'm just getting all, and the laptop specific segmentation I was doing, I was training, and I was using it the by on mask RCNN or kind of models. But this segment anything without specific training is actually segmenting really anything. And all you need to do is just for this video, I'm just gonna show how to use it. You can get one of these model. My suggestion, if you are not using a really good GPU, so just skip this because it's really heavy, it's gonna crash. You can this with L or with B, you can try. I'm gonna show you the lightest one, but this is, you are gonna see also, this is also working perfect. And this is the around 76 line. I want to show you how it looks like, and all you need to do is just installing this segment anything GitHub installation, and you will need torch vision kind of, you need to install them, and all is done. Matplotlib and OpenCV is just for visual things, and it's done. And what I want to show you, I already get these two models from the GitHub repository, and this is my one of image, so I want to use this for just segmenting and show you the results. And maybe it's good to talk about the code little bit. So here basically I'm just giving the paths of the model, PyTorch model, and here I'm just giving the which type it is. So since I'm using with B, I need to write with B, but if you are using like with H or with L, you need to change that accordingly. And after that, I'm just giving the registry of the model type and the which checkpoint, which path I'm using. I'm giving them, and device, which is I want to run it on CUDA. Since I'm using an image, it's not gonna matter much CPU or GPU, but if you are working on a real-time project, you need to use CUDA, otherwise it's gonna be extremely slow. And the predictor, I'm creating object, and after that I'm loading image. Here I need to convert BGR to RGB because OpenCV is giving me BGR after reading. So but SAM and I think the Matplotlib is using RGB. I'm converting it. I'm setting my image into the predictor, and click point is for just I'm gonna click anywhere in the image, so it's gonna segment there. That's all. And these interactive things not really important. It's just helping for Matplotlib. And mouse click handler, we can skip here. This is just giving you the point and calling this segment function. And here predict function, the most important one in here. And here basically I'm giving the coordinates, which coordinate around I want to segment, and the point labels according I'm giving, which is coming to this point segment, click point also. And multi-mask output, if it's true, it's gonna give three most trusted one. It's gonna give you three options: the most not trusted, but the most accurate, less accurate, and middle accurate. It's gonna give you three options. And this is about the plot drawing, and my name window, and set mouse callback for OpenCV, which is helping me to click, and this is a true. So that's all, nothing else. This is a simple code. Let's run it and you are gonna understand it. So this Python 3 sam.py, and here okay, So this is my image basically, and here let's see, I want to click for example to this part. Yeah, it's giving me three options, which is, you see, it's really beautiful. Even it's separating the part here. Yeah, it's giving me the really behind of the, yeah, behind of the this part. Yeah, and here also giving all, and here little less accurate score. Also you can see this is the highest score, this is the 0.x score, and accordingly. But if I click again to my face for example, and actually I cannot differentiate this and this, but this you see choosing my all body, and if I click here to the chair behind, is choosing both of them, and even here, which is not good, this is choosing two, maybe acceptable, but this is choosing only that one. Let's click to the wall. Yeah, you see it's really beautiful. It can segment anything, even my glasses. Let's click. Yeah, you see it's, yeah, it's really crazily beautiful. You can understand it. Let's click to this part. Yeah, it's really crazily beautiful, and I love this model. This is new technology, and you need to be aware of this if you are working on computer vision. This is very important, and the usage is also very simple. I already showed you, and nothing is difficult here. This code is just couple of lines, and it's working fine. And yeah, I price this model, but it's really beautiful. It's the GPT version of segmentation. Yeah, I can say that. And for this video, simply I just wanted to show you the usage of this segment anything model, which is developed by Meta AI research team. Yeah, thanks to them. And thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.